Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use remote capture to mirror your iPhone's or Android phone's screen to this module. Okay, so you can see there's this remote controller, and when you detach it from the handle you can already use it, but it will not let you see anything for now. Later we'll fix it, but yeah, you can see I'm rotating the device and it works properly as it should. You can also start recording and doing stuff, but let's go to DJI Mimo app. Now I can mirror the screen by sliding from the right side left, then click on mirror, and now if you have an iPhone, select Apple iOS, then I'm connected to the Mimo app. Now in the app it says that I need to go to more settings, like so. Then find the remote controller screencasting. So I think it'll be here, not sure. No, it doesn't say that here, but I think it'll be here. Yes, right here, then screencasting. And now you can connect via Wi-Fi or enable screen recording permission. So first let's connect via Wi-Fi. Let's click on join. Okay, now it's connected, and then enable screen recording permission. So select DJI Mimo and click on start broadcast. In 3 seconds it'll begin. And now you can see it shows my iPhone screen. Now when I close that, I can see what's on my iPhone. I can maximize it to see more maximized image or the full screen. And yeah, I can rotate it, of course, if I need it. And then if I manage it like so, it works. And then let's talk about the Android phone. And now to connect it with, I need to connect it first. Okay, now I have it connected. Let's now go to the detachable module. And now, okay, I'll need to restart the motor. Now we can slide like so, click on mirror, select Android this time, and then open your quick settings panel, find mirroring and tap to enable. So let's slide down from the top of the screen and now find mirroring. It should be somewhere here. Of course, on different Android phones it will be different. I have screen mirroring right here. Let's allow it, and let's select Osmo Frame Tap. It's connecting now, and now it is connected, so it's also displaying the screen. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.